A lot of times people struggle with variations. So today, let's get that fixed. We've already got a couple in here, and we're going to go through and we're going to look at this cowboy emoji shirt, and we're going to get this part fixed. So before you even get to thinking about making a variation, you got to have attributes. Now, we got to stop right here because a lot of times I'll see people and they'll go in here and they'll, man, I added blue, I added green, I added yellow, I added large, and then I added small, and I just can't figure out what I did wrong. Well, the attribute is defining something that the user is going to choose. The attribute is not the selection itself. So you see up there as I'm deleting these, see where it says select a color and choose your emoji shirt size. I did that on purpose, and I want to show you why, because after about 9 years of doing this, you get gray hairs, but you also learn a thing or two. This is the name for the attribute, and of course it says it's going to be shown on the front end, right? Okay, well, let's go back over here because that's editing one. Let's say I want to add a new one. You always want to give a visual prompt for everything. So you want to say choose, select, decide, something like that, a verb. So instead of just saying color or simply saying size, I always say select a color, choose a size, or something like that. Now, over here, okay, once you say add the attribute, over in here, this used to be something that you have to hover over. See that effect right there? About 3 years I contributed a patch back and made this so that you didn't have to hover over it because people didn't know it was there. So you configure terms, and then that's when you can go in there and say, okay, well, I need to add another color called hot pink. Or you can add another color, whatever color you want. So these right there, where it says terms over here, those are the actual things. The size, how many light bulbs, how many feet, what size is your door, different aspects like that. Those are all over here, and you can add them, and of course you can edit them, and when you go to edit them, you can also add some text here, and you can add it right in here as well. Okay, there's a reason I did that, but it really didn't have anything to do with what we're going to go over right now. So once you get all of those in there, then you go in here and you say, okay, I need to make this a variable product, okay? And then, of course, I want to go over here and I want to say attributes. I've got a custom attribute, but if I drop it down, then I can say select a color. And of course, I want to add that. Do I want it visible on the product page? Yeah. But here's another one that people will sometimes miss. Be sure to click Use for Variations. And then you can choose, you know what, I only want this one only comes in red. Or, you know, this one comes in every color possible. And then we click Save before we click anything else over here. Once we've clicked Save, then we run over here, and gosh, I've got another row over here now. Well, I don't want to have to add all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to give me what, 16 more? You know what? All of these cowboy hat emojis, they come in everything. So I'm going to create variations from all of them. Now, if you only have an extra large, I'm sorry, if you only have extra large in, and this is how it is ordered, okay? If you only have extra large in a specific, let's say just green, well then you can do that. Or you can go in here and you can also say create variations from all of the attributes, okay? Oh, I didn't save the, yeah, I'm sorry. So now I have 21 variations. Okay. Now, I'm going to stop right here because there's one other little thing before I click expand that I want to show you.